Most people think you need complex frameworks and hundreds of lines of code to build AI applications. But what if I told you that with just a few lines of Python, you can talk directly to powerful AI models running on your own laptop? So in this video, I'll show you how to connect Python with Ollama, which I have described in my earlier videos, that Ollama is an open source framework where you can download the large language models. Hi everyone, I'm Mukul Malhotra. If you're starting your journey in generative AI, AI agents, or local LLMs, one of the most important skills to learn is how to interact with AI models using Python. So in this beginner-friendly tutorial, we'll learn how Python communicates with AI models, how to send prompts to a local LLM, how to receive AI-generated responses. And don't worry, if you're new to Python, I'll explain every line of code step by step. So let's understand what are the prerequisites, and then we'll move to the code walkthrough. Then once these two libraries are installed, you can start writing Python code. So as a demo application, I have a Python code, which I'll explain you next. So let's get started with the demo application, which is written in Python. And this is basically to communicate with the Ollama. Line 1, which is from Ollama import chat. So what does that mean? So this line basically imports the chat function from the Ollama Python library. Think of it as establishing a communication channel between our Python application and the AI model running locally through Ollama. So next move to the line 2, which is a response equal to chat. So this means here we are calling the chat function and storing the API response in a variable called response. A variable is simply a container that stores data. So here in line 3, model equal to Llama 3, which basically you can choose your models, which can be open source or which can be paid models. So I choose open source model, which is Llama 3. And this tells Ollama which AI model should answer our question. Now comes to line 4, which is our messages equal to. So that means this is the actual message which we are sending to the AI. And the role is set to user because the message is coming from us. Now comes to line 12. So this line extracts only the generated text from the response. So as we have now understand the code, so let's see this in action in the practical part. So let me first install the Python dependencies. Okay, as I already have installed the Python dependencies. So now I'll run this Python code. First, the functions are imported. Then it will define the response in the variable. Then it will download the model, which is Llama 3. Then it will come to the messages. Basically, the content will be given as the what is Ollama. And then it will print the response. So let's see as this is executed. So it has given us the response. So as per our content, it has given us the response. So this clearly states the communication between Python and Ollama, as well as in the backend, there was LLM model. I'll come with more exciting and learning videos. Till then, stay tuned, keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe this channel.